know why? Because it's my baby's birthday today. And when it comes to birthday, we need lot of preparation like shopping dresses and decoration, deciding snacks, calling guests and buying chocolates and cakes, and the most important is return gift. So there is a trend nowadays that if somebody comes to a birthday party, they bring gifts. And we as a host also give a small gift from our side to thank them to come to your party. And that is called as the return gift. So as Reyansh's birthday falls in June month, that is the raining month, I thought of giving umbrellas as a return gift to Reyansh's friends. And as it is a gift, we have to pack it in a beautiful way so that everybody likes it. That's why I would like to show you how I packed the beautiful umbrellas in a beautiful sparkle paper.
We are going to use this green spark paper and a pink one. We will wrap the umbrella in the green paper. For that, we will make a thin cone of paper like this and then put the umbrella in it. If you have seen a mehendi cone, in the same way I will make it. Now I will take the pink paper and cut a small rectangular piece and fold it in this way so that it looks like a bow. Now I'll put sellotape and fix it. And then I will add a pom-pom ball like this. In the next step, we will tie a beautiful pink lace and we will stick the pink bow over it. And it is ready.
And with the umbrellas, I have made a very simple thank you card. Let me show you how I made it.
We need Fevicol, scissor, card paper and a birthday face mask. I will keep this mask on the red card paper and cut it around its borders in a way that we can open it like a card, like this. Now I will apply glue and stick this face mask on the front side of the card paper. And the front side is ready. Now it's time to decorate inner side of the card. I will use this yellow chart paper and I will cut it in a rectangle shape like this. Now I will stick it here. Then I will add borders to this rectangle with the help of this glitter paper all around the rectangle. And it is complete. Then I will use the white poster color and with the help of earbuds I will put some white dots all over the blank surface. And this is the final look. The message says, "Thank you for coming to Reyansh's birthday party." Simple and cute card.
So simple yet so attractive, isn't it? Yes. I have even made some goodie bags filled with chocolates to distribute it to kids, and even some more gifts for Reyansh. But the video would have been very lengthy, so I will continue showing it in the next video. Till then, try making some or the other thing with the material available with you at your home and enjoy being creative. That's all for now. We'll meet next time. Bye bye.